troubleshoot, roll one, sing one, shot one, take one.
Hey guys, welcome to Rumble. My name's Stan, and today I want to take you through how to make the perfect French press and/or plunger. So what you're going to need today is, first and foremost, some freshly ground coffee. You'll need your French press. You'll need some scales and a timer. These scales have the timer built in, but if you don't have a timer built in, then you can just use your phone. You'll need some filtered water that's going to come off the boil. You'll need your vessel and a bowl and a couple of spoons just to clean up as you go. So first and foremost, take the lid off the French press, and we're going to add a bit of water just to bring the French press up to temperature. While that's happening, you can go grind your coffee if you need to. So now that that's up at temperature, we're going to empty it. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your French press, put it on the scales. Now with the coffee, we're going for a medium to coarse grind. The best visual representation of that would be just regular white sugar. And we're going to do a recipe that's based on 6 grams per 100 ml, but we're going to do a 2 cup today, so that's going to be 30 grams for 500 ml. Now, if you're going to do a 1 cup for yourself, then just do 15 to 250 ml. So that's sort of the ratios that we're going for. So take your ground coffee. Add it. Now you want to tear the French press. Cool. Now with your water, you've got 2 options here. You can either use a jug where you can set your temperature, and we're aiming for 95 degrees. But if you're just using a basic household jug, then pretty much boil it and then wait for about 30 to 45 seconds, and that will bring it down to where you want to be. So now you want to add your water, and we're going for 500 ml like I said. As soon as the water touches the coffee, that's when you start your timer. And you kind of want to pour with a nice vigorous manner to make sure that everything's saturated. Perfect. So now that everything's sort of starting to brew, grab your lid, chuck it on, and that's going to keep all the heat in. Great, so now it's been 4 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to take the lid off, just put that to the side, grab one of your spoons, and we want to just move the coffee around on the top just so it drops down to the bottom. And then what you want to do is grab your bowl and the other spoon, and basically just take the top film off. There shouldn't be much there. Now you want to put your lid back on. And we're not plunging just yet. We're going to wait for another 4 minutes. It's now been 8 minutes, so you want to grab your French press, and it's time to plunge. There shouldn't be any resistance because all the coffee's fallen to the bottom. Grab your trusty vessel, preferably a Rumble mug. And enjoy.